Okay, here's one last video on the number wizard game. So last time we had this min equals 1, min equals 1001. Uh, like I said, we don't want to add the numbers as a hard code down there. We just want to have it in one spot, so if we change it, we don't have to go and change it again. And to do that, what we're going to do is we're just going to say int min equals, we're just going to set it equal to 0. We're just going to say, actually, we're just going to say int min. Okay. So now all we're doing up here is now we're just saying this variable exists. And let's just do that with the guess too. So let's just change it, right? So now it's just saying these variables exist. So now they exist everywhere else. And now in here I can say 1 and 1000. So now if I want to change it, I don't have to change it twice. I could just come into the start game method and then change it. Okay. So that's just to make it a little bit easier, so you don't have to change it in multiple places, but the variable still exists everywhere else because it's declared up here. Right? Even though it's changed in here, it still says that these variables exist inside of the entire script. So that's just a short little video. You can go ahead and fix up your code, and your game should be working completely now.